everyone. Namaskar. Jai Jagannath. We are going to talk about ସମସ୍ତେ ମୋବାଇଲରେ ବାୟା ହେଲେଣି। ସକାଳେ ଉଠିବାରୁ ଶୋଇବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୋବାଇଲ ମୋବାଇଲ ମୋବାଇଲ। AI, ML. We are going to talk about AI today in our own ways, describing what we understand of AI and ML. The future is AI. Today we have with us Sabya Mosa. Mosa, namaskar. Welcome to the show.
Namaskar.
Sunanda Mausi. Mausi, namaskar.
Namaskar, Subhasri.
Damodar Sahu. Anjan Garn. Anjan Panda. And also a few others. We shall discuss AI.
Why discriminate and discuss only about I and not Aja?
बढ़िया कथा पटे पचारले मौसा। आईन को कही अजान को खोजिबा ओ तांको विषय रे भी कहिबा। मौसा को कही देली अजान को कहूठो खोजिबी एबे। अजान को अलजेब्रा आईन को दरकार मौसा। आहुरी अछि अनेक कथा।
हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण। अरे मौसा थाऊ तो माउसी को रखुचे आई को खोज क्या? अहे सुनिबा
हये तुम सहित आई को नहीं एते कोन टुकुर टापुर होतले छी छी एई बयस रे पुनी
तुमे कथार के छता मेंटिया करी बुझछ काई की एमाने खोजसिला आई को मु कहले अरे माउसी थाऊ तो आई को कहीं खोज एटा हला कथा आ तुमे बुझला एया हो एबे सेमान कथा सुनिबा।
अलजेब्रा मते तुम से कथा कुह ना भाई मो द्वारा गणित फणित हुएनी। कौन कौन कहूच ए एमएलए कोड आइला केही एमएलए फैमिली टिके आसुना मो बंधु।
Wait. I think AI is everywhere. AI is everywhere. Mosa, namaskar. Subhasri jo AI कहउतले सेटा AI को नथले मनीष को नथले सेटा होची AI आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। आउ अंजन सेटा जो ML फैमिली के विजिट करना देठी से कहउतले ML मशीन लर्निंग राइट लाइक सेटा तो सब वर्ड है सो मशीन लर्निंग।
Oh, is that a new gadget you kids are playing these days?
ना मौसा सेटा गोटे टेक्नोलॉजी एआई गोटे नुआ टेक्नोलॉजी आछि। आजिकल सेटा सबडा व्यवहार होछि एमिति कि हमर फोन रे भी लाइक आमे तो गोटे फोटो नउ सेथिरे एआई भी व्यवहार होछि। सो बेसिकली एटा गोटे टेक्नोलॉजी आजिकल चारियाडे व्यवहार हलानी। मौसा
सुनंतु मु बटन किछि कहया चाहू I manage many AI teams. Even some developers do not understand what is AI and ML concept. So here is someone waiting to explain AI to the common man, right?
Yeah, probably we can start with some common use cases like आमे जो व्यवहार करूछु साधारण भाबरे सेमती व्यवहार कले सेमती किछि यूज केस नहीं कि डिस्कस कले बोधे बुझी पारिए समझते।
Makes sense. So basically AI is in many places, right? So when you say Alexa, do some shopping for me, here we are using AI. Alexa is taking our voice, recognizing what we are asking by speech recognition. Let's ask a kid, what is ML money, mommy?
I don't know. What is AI?
Artificial intelligence.
So what is artificial?
Oh God. Something that is not natural, that's artificial. It's made by human.
Oh, so Babu, can you say what is intelligence?
Intelligence has many meanings depending on how you look at it. Some people say talent is intelligence, some say it is greed.
So you mean to say combine these two and try to say what is artificial intelligence?
AI is intelligence that is artificial or made up. It is real intelligence. It's made up something that is not living. Oh God, how do I explain?
Dama, you were talking about Alexa. Please tell us more. I really want to know.
Sure, Mosa. So let's pick how Babu mentioned. Alexa is a machine. It's a device that looks like a speaker and has a microphone embedded in it. It wakes up intelligently when it finds someone speaking Alexa. It is called the wake word. When the wake word is spoken, the device finds out that is being called out and waits for further commands. So calling Alexa play Radio Jindagi will interpret play Radio Jindagi as a command. Task is to find out what is the command that is play and what is the command working on that radio is called Radio Jindagi. Anjan, you don't like algebra. However, here we speak of recognition of verb and object.
अच्छा गोटे मिनिट जस्ट आपण मैंने समस्ते चेष्टा कले कौन एलेक्सार गोटे ओडिया ना देई भंतानी आमे समस्ते ओडिया ए जेमिति आलो आ कि एमती किछ गोटे ना हिंदी रे तो एमती ना भर्ती होइचे गंडा गोछा ए धर रामू काका कांता बाई एटा तो रेडीमेड ना ओडिया पाई गोटे खोजले होते आमे समस्ते ओडिया
Musa, let's talk about this after the break. ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଚମ୍ପୁ ଶୁଣୁଛି ଏବେ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ପରେ କଥା ହବା। Okay, let's start. Play Radio Jindagi. What is the verb over here, mommy?
Play
And object?
Radio Jindagi.
Thanks, mommy. So, as a linguist, you deal with the problem of part of speech recognition.
Okay. So, दाम भाई आपण कहउचंती जे जेतेबेले मु कहउची Alexa play Radio Jindagi, so the device inside the Alexa does a part of speech recognition, is it correct?
Absolutely, Anjan. There are two layers we spoke of now. Speech recognition and part of speech recognition.
So, if you are saying that, if that is the case, then where does this algebra comes here?
It is hard to code for this type of problem, like speech recognition or part of speech tagging. It is hard because it is complex. The complexity comes from the diversity. If we try to imagine 5 crore Odias speaking Jagannath, there will be how many different ways it will be spoken? Let's speak. Jagannath.
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 Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. So, did you all note that each of you speak the same word differently?
You mean our speeches are different?
Yes. Pitch and many other factors the sound engineers qualify on sound.
So, you engineer around these factors to generalize and recognize if the spoken word is Jagannath or Alexa and call this as speech recognition.
Exactly.
ता माने आमे चेष्टा कले एलेक्सा को हमर अति प्रिय ओडिया भाषा तो सिखै पारंते एथिरे हमर ओडिया तो बजाय रहंता ଆଉ ମା ମାଉସୀ ମାନେ କଲ୍ୟାଣ ବି କରନ୍ତେ। କଣ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମାନେ? ମାନେ ଘରୁ ଘରୁ ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ। ଓହ, କି ଚମତ୍କାର କାମ।
Okay, so Mosa, you are saying Alexa recognizes what is spoken and try to find out the work that needs to be done. Mhm. That is play, and on what that is Radio Jindagi, the device try to compute and try to analyze what is the verb and what is the object and what is the subject. That is what I can make out.
Interesting discussion. Object, subject, कर्ता, कर्म, Alexa मोर खाली गोटे कथा जे Alexa को Alexa न कहि कि हमें जनरलाइज करि परिबा ताकू पर्सनल असिस्टेंट विषय रे कहि परिबा काहे कि ना अलगा अलगा सब ब्रांड अछि Alexa के बड़ा Amazon रो ब्रांड हमें Siri, Google Home, Cortana समान सब से कैटेगरी रे आछुंती सो समान को हमें पर्सनल असिस्टेंट कहि कि एड्रेस करिबा
Fair point, Anjan Panda. So we generalize the discussion. Back to Anjan Gan's part of speech typing discussion. After the assistants listen to the command, they try to interpret the action and what to act on based on the recommendation.
Acha, yes, I recall Dr. Hazari speaking of such a thing. Let's include medical applications of AI and ML too. I have heard about automatic cancer scans and many other applications like this.
How Musa, Satvik has created an application to scan skin cancer. He has got an award too.
Wow, it's got an award. That sounds awesome.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ଏମିତି ରହିଥାଉ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗେ।
ମାରେ ତା ତ ସବୁଦିନ ଅଛି। ସେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଖୁବ୍ ଭଲ କରିବ, ଏଥିରେ ସନ୍ଦେହ ନାହିଁ।
Okay, ଦାମ ଭାଇ ମଉସା ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନି, ଏବେ ବି ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନି। Where does this algebra and mathematics come into all these?
Oh, let me take it. Actually, not to scare anyone off. माने जो माने मैथमेटिक्स को डरू जोंती से मानो भी डरिवा किसी दरकार नहीं. But I mean there are ways in which we can get it. But जो माने I mean ये जो AI ML हमें कोचो ता पछरे पछरे बहुत मैथमेटिक्स अच्छी. सेटा धीरे धीरे आसे जीवो काको डरिया पाई नहीं बट ता भितर बहुत मैथमेटिक्स अछि हमें याको डाकी परिबा दरकार हले जदी टिके बेसी मैथमेटिक्स बुझिबा दरकार हबो हमें निरंजन भाई गडे
सुनंतो किछि व्यस्त होंतनी. Everyone may not have the patience to get into deeper mathematics. In my opinion, it is not even required. There are AI ML professionals who have succeeded without knowing too much of mathematics. कौन कहूछ अंजन गान
मु कंफ्यूज भाई मु बर्तन कंफ्यूज. I just want to understand what kind of mathematics is being used, and then maybe if you are confident about Niranjan bhai, I may join Niranjan bhai class. I don't mind.
Do one thing. Let's listen from Anjan Pandit.
दामो भाई अंजन भाई मते बहुत डिफिकल्ट टास्क टा आपण देले बुझिले. Okay आरंभ करिवा. We'll go over the basics, right? Let's start from the basic. बेसिक होची शून्य आउ एक. ओके सेटा तो समस्त जानि थिबे ना मैथमेटिक्स रे पाठ न पढतले मैथमेटिक्स रे हम शून्य जानि छु राइट. कहिबे तू जा पाठ न पढ शून्यटा नै कि आसीबे घर को राइट. तो शून्य एक हम समस्त जानि छु. सो सेउठु आरंभ करिवा ठीक अछि. ओके सो आमे शून्य एक काहे कहिली ना आपण माने कहउतबे कंप्यूटर वाला बहुत बड़ बड़ कथा कहंती बहुत बड़ कथा कहंती बाइनरी राइट. बाइनरी से माने कहले सेटा किछि बड़ कथा नै सेटा अछि शून्य और एक. बाइनरी माने सब जिंस को शून्य और एक रे परिणत करै परिवार प्रक्रियाटा होची से माने कहंती मेक इट बाइनरी. काहे की करंदी ना ई जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक जिंस गुडा को स्विच ऑन आउ ऑफ बुझंती आ किछि बुझंती. तो से माने कोन कहंती स्विच ऑन करले 1 स्विच ऑफ करले 0 बा को एनकोडिंग रे रिवर्स हे थाए. बट मूलटा होची एटा हला जे सब जिंस शून्य और एक रे हमें देखिबा. किंतु एबे कथा होची सब जिंस को शून्य और एक को केमिति कन्वर्ट करेबा ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ସେ ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସାଇନ୍ସ ର ପଢନ୍ତି ନା ସେଇ ଲୋକମାନେ ପଢନ୍ତି। ତ ସେମାନେ କଣ ପଢନ୍ତି ନା ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ କେମିତି 0 ଆଉ 1 ରେ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିବେ। ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ହୁଏତ 0 1 ବୁଝି ହେଇଥିବ, ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆଗେଇବା। ଓକେ, ସୋ ଟିକେ 2-3ଟା ଉଦାହରଣ ଦବା। ଆମେ ଯଦି କହିବା ଅ ବା 1 ବା 1, ଏଇ ସବୁ ଅକ୍ଷର ଆମେ ଯାହା କହୁଛୁ, ଅ କହିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମନରେ ଅ ଆସୁଥିବ, ଏ କହିଲେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଲେଟର ଅଫ ଦି ଇଂଲିଶ ଆଲଫାବେଟ ଆସୁଥିବ, ତାର ପୁଣି କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଏ ଆସୁଥିବ, ସ୍ମଲ ଏ ଆସୁଥିବ। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସବୁ ଫିଜିକାଲ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଏ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ବାଲା ମାନେ କଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ 0 1 ର ଧାଡିଟେ ତିଆରି କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସିରିଜ। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ସିରିଜ ଅଫ 0 and 1। 0 ଆଉ 1 କୁ ତାର ଗୋଟେ ନାଁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ତା ନାଁ ହଉଛି ବିଟ୍। ସୋ ତାକୁ କହନ୍ତି a series of bits। So basically everything this computing people do, they speak about binary encoding and all these things। ସେ ସବୁ ଆପଣ ଭୁଲି ଯିବେ, ସେ ସବୁ ଭାବିବେ ଯେ series of zeros and ones ବା ତାକୁ କହନ୍ତି series of bits। ଏଟା ହଉଛି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ, ରାଇଟ୍? ସୋ 0 1 ହଉଛି ପ୍ରଥମ ମନେ ରଖିବା, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ମନେ ରଖିବା ହଉଛି series of bits, everything in this real world object। this video, ଆମର ଫଟୋ ସବୁ 0 1 ର ଗୋଟେ ସିରିଜ। ଓକେ, ଥାର୍ଡ ଜିନିଷ ହଉଛି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 0 1 ଟା ସିମ୍ପଲ ଜଣା ହଉଥିଲା, ଆମେ ଯଦି ଏ ବି ସି କହିବା ସେଟା ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ, ରାଇଟ୍? ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ରିଏଲ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଟୁ ଆନ୍ ଏକ୍ସଟେଣ୍ଟ ଇଫ୍ वी ट्राई टू, ଆମେ ଯଦି ଆମର ଟୋଟାଲ ଲାଇଫ ର ବର୍ଥ ଟୁ ଡେଥ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଇନାରୀ ସିକ୍ୱେନ୍ସରେ ରଖିବା, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ be too complex, ରାଇଟ୍? ସୋ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ବାଲା କଣ କରନ୍ତି ନା, ସବୁ ରିଏଲ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ କୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ବାଇନାରୀ ରେ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରନ୍ତି। ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ବେସିକ୍ସ। 0 1 ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ 0 1 ରେ କରିହବ, ଆଉ ସେଟା ସିମ୍ପଲ ରୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ କୁ ଯାଏ, ହେଲା? ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଆଉଟଲାଇନ। ମଉସା ବୁଝି ହଉଛି?
ଏଇଟା ଯଦି ଆଉଟଲାଇନ, ତାହେଲେ ବିସ୍ତୃତ ଧାରଣାଟା ବୋଧେ ସହଜରେ ବୁଝି ହବନି। ଆମେ ଟିକେ ସରଳ କଲେ ବୋଧେ ବୁଝିପାରନ୍ତୁ।
Sarita Nani, I think we need your help।
ହଁ, କଣ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଦରକାର ରଞ୍ଜନ?
ଏଇ ଟିକେ ବୁଝେଇବା ପାଇଁ ସରଳ ଭାବରେ, ମାନେ ଛୁଆ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ବୁଝିପାରିବେ ସେମିତି ବୁଝେଇବା ପାଇଁ।
Not fair. Only grown-ups are participating. We need kids too.
Oh great, we have kids now. Hey everybody, who has seen a TV? Kids? ଛୁଆ ମାନେ?
Me. I have seen.
Good. TV ଦେଖଛ ତାହେଲେ? ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଟିଭି ର ଛୋଟ ସବୁ ଡଟ୍ସ ଥାଏ, ଦେଖିଛ? There are tiny dots।
No, not really.
Oh, if you actually look closely, ଯଦି ପାଖାପାଖି ଯାଇକି ଦେଖିବ, wait, don't try it without a grown up with you। So what you do is take a TV, if you go to very close, you might find tiny dots, right? Do you know what those dots are? Those are tiny lights।
Really?
Yes, you want to know how many are there in your TV?
Yes.
Oh, you must have heard something called HD TV, right? You say, hey, I have an HD TV। So in an HD TV there are actually 1920 rows and 1080 columns ଥାଏ। ଆଉ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ରୋ କଲମ ର ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ରୋ କଲମ ର ଜଂକ୍ସନ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଥାଏ। Yeah, you know, it becomes 2 million lights, 2 million pixels on your TV screen। Like now one question, what happens when you turn off a light?
It's become dark.
Exactly। Now think of a black and white TV। Have you seen a black and white TV?
There is something called a black and white TV.
There is। Now if you actually take an image and tell your parent, nowadays everyone has a smartphone and smartphone has an image editing facility, you have a filter called monochrome। So if you convert an image into a monochrome, what happens is that becomes a black and white। ମୁଁ black and white ର example ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆଣିବି କାହିଁକି ନା ସେଟା ଟିକେ ସହଜ ହବ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ। Okay, it will be easy to understand। Do you remember I asked you, when you turn off the light, it becomes dark? You said it's dark. So that's exactly what happens in a black and white TV. What happens is, there is someone, there's someone who is actually sitting and turning off and on of those 2 million lights on your TV.
Ooh, that's scary. Really?
Not really. Not really. There is not someone who is actually, sitting and turning on and off. Like it is, there is a computer program that does it, right? That's called a processor, and that's called GPU. You know it? I bet you would have heard of it, isn't it?
Wait. What computer? I thought you were talking about TV, like the one we have. And my brother has a computer, and I know about CPU, but what's GPU?
GPU is that processor who is doing this switching on and off for your TV, which has 2 million lights in that. So that GPU is a processor who is doing this 2 million on and offs. Basically, it's a processor. It's a tiny little device which is inside your TV. So let's say that's a GPU.
My brother has a gaming PC where it was written GPU.
Correct. Do you know how this GPU thing works? Do you know how this graphic processing happens?
Yes.
Good. Now help me. Imagine, forget about 2 million. You just have 20 light bulbs, and you want to keep them arranged in rows and columns. In what way you can arrange 20 light bulbs in rows and columns?
2 rows and 10 columns.
Works for me.
Or
Any other idea?
Or 4 rows and 5 columns.
That's also great. Let's take the second example, 4 rows and 5 columns. So when you are creating a TV, let's create a TV with that 4 rows and 5 columns with 20 lights TV. Okay. Now imagine each of these 20 lights, you want to make each light on or off. So you're going to say 0 or 1 for each of the lights. Are you with me so far?
Yes.
Good. So now let's imagine a TV display as a big array that has 2 million lights. So now each light is 1 or 0. Now how many 1 or 0 will be there? 2 million. If you have 20, you have 21 or 0. If you have 2 million dots, each one has 1 or 0, you're going to have 2 million 1 and 0. Are you with me so far?
What
No.
happened? Yeah, yes.
Okay, cool. So basically what I'm saying is light bulbs arranged in a rectangular array, and then there is someone who is turning on and off. Okay, whether it is 20 or 2 million, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so if we turn all the lights at one time, what will happen?
So what happens in color displays?
Oh, I love this question. Someone would have told you that there are fundamental colors, red, green, and blue.
Yes.
Good. And also you would have known that you can mix and match those colors to get new colors. So now what happens? Those tiny dots, each little balls, now instead of just having 2 things on or off, they have different things now. How much of red is in there, how much of green in there, and how much of blue in there? You know what? There's a pixel intensity. So now what they do is, instead of storing 0 or 1, they store pixel intensity values in the color tables. And now one thing you will have to remember, I'm sure somebody would have told you in your class probably that a row and columns, you can put them in an array. Array is basically a comma. I mean, you keep things one after another, that becomes an array of things. So each lights can also be stored as an array. I was talking of 20 bulbs. So basically you are saying 4 rows and 5 columns in an array. And now for those 4 rows and 5 columns, instead of storing 0 and 1s, in each of them you put another array of 3 values, right? So that is called a multi-dimensional array, like an array inside an array and inside an array. It can go complex like that. You know what happens, when it goes complex, these guys have given a very difficult name for it, and some of them say it's called tensor, right? That's called tensor. And even there is a software platform on that. It's called TensorFlow. So this TensorFlow is used by many machine learning programs.
Where does the word flow?
Oh, that is again a good question. Have you noticed a video is nothing but a flow of images very fast?
My mom said when there was no computers, Disney was using some animation techniques to show the cartoons.
Exactly. If we pass images one after another very fast, it would look like a moving image, and they call it a movie. You know it, right? So yeah. So now you know how you see cartoons and movies.
Okay. So when the images are moving, basically the arrays change very fast.
Wow, 6 million number changing a number of times in a second too. Wow.
Now you know it. How complex is it? How fast that thing happens, right? 6 million numbers change a number of time in a second, right? So that is the job of a GPU, that you hear, graphic processing. So graphic is those numbers that you represent in the screen, and how fast they are processed, in what way that is processed, that is the job of a CPU. Now coming back to Anjan Gant's question, that where all mathematics come here, we are actually talking of matrix. Matrix comes as a part of linear algebra, and we know that addition 2 plus 2 equals to 4. We know that. So same way they do matrix additions and stuff like that. So that is also mathematics. And then what the mathematician do is they convert the real world objects into this mathematical forms, like zeros and ones, switch on and off, is a light bulb. They convert real world objects into mathematical forms which can be processed by the computer. So coming back to Anjan's question, okay, matrix comes in linear algebra, and then we have functions, we have mathematical functions. I think Damabhai, would you want to bring something in?
I love this. It's Anjan, I mean, it's a great conversation I have ever heard of between it. I felt myself as a student, and I was just getting involved. How Anjan is actually teaching and convincing me, and he was superb. Great questions, great answers. So let's take more in the next session.
Anjan Pandabu, mu ebe bhi clear no. ये सब अपन जहाँ बुझेले, what these got to do with the speech recognition, or the part of speech that you discussed? I don't understand.
अच्छा, so ସେଇଟା ଦାମ ଭାଇ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁକି ନା ସେ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ରେକଗ୍ନିସନ ବିଷୟରେ ବହୁତ ସେଇଟା ଦାମ ଭାଇଙ୍କଠୁ ଶୁଣିବା। ଦାମ ଭାଇ ଏଇଟା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ, ହେଲ୍ପ କରନ୍ତୁ ମୋତେ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି। So I think if you see the earlier session, we had a great discussion, we have great answer. So let me address the question of Sabir Babu. What is got to do with the speech recognition of the part of speech, right? So let's take video example of that you was giving, right? A video is a sequence of images. Now a sentence written in the sequence of its
Words?
Great. So a word is a sequence of
Letters.
Wow. And a letter is a combination of what?
Letters are on their own, like atoms.
Super. That is good. So a letter is a unit. Now, does anyone know how computers recognize letters?
By Unicode.
Super. Unicode is one encoding how letters are understood by a computer. There are others like AX2, AX2 codes, and each code is represented by bits. That means zeros and ones, like Anjan explained us earlier. So in an UTF-8 encoding, 8 bits represent a character and UTF-64 represents 64 bits. Now let's assume an UTF-16 encoded Odia character is 60 bits. So a word of 2 characters is 32 bits. We can present them in matrix. A character word can be a 2-row multiplied by, let's say, a 16-column matrix. So Anjan Panda has built nice tool sample to visualize this. The same pattern applies for words, sentence, paragraphs, and pages. AG?
So Dambai, which means ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଦାମ ଲେଖିବି, so it will be a DAMO, and which means it will be something like U plus 0044, U plus 0065, U plus 0062, U plus 0075, blah blah blah. Is it correct?
Absolutely. You are in the right direction, AG. The same can be thought of sounds. Let's say phonemes combine to make words and a group of words make sentence. These sound units are also encoded by phonetic standards like IPA and Exampa, right? Mummy, you have anything?
Uncle, does the Odia character have Unicode for them? Anjan uncle?
Yes, the Odia character have Unicode blocks. I have seen, and it's attached to them. So let's say when we say Jagannath, so it's basically Joga. Joga. It's a combination of 3 Odia Unicode characters. So I can understand. So it's a combination of Unicode. So one are for G, second one for Go, and third one for Joga.
Joga looks like 2 characters, but has really 3 characters behind it. Meaning which matra is a separate character in Odia, Anjan uncle?
Eta bhalo pacharila, but the correct, we'll go back to Dama uncle and AP uncle explanation how mathematics and computing is required for speech recognition.
Yeah, sure. Actually, Mami जोटा पचारले प्रत्येक कैरेक्टर प्रत्येक मात्रा गोटे गोटे कैरेक्टर की सेटा होचे हां माने समस्त ओडिया रे प्रत्येक मात्रा पई गोटे गोटे यूनिकोड कैरेक्टर अछि आउ ए जो स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन ए सब पई आजकल गोटे गोटे न्यूरल नेटवर्क यूज होछि न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स
What is neural network?
ओह माइंड टा एकदम बराबर कर गलानी
मौसा
कभी चा मिलता नहीं आए सुनुच ओफो माइंड टा एकदम भाराक्रांत हो गलानी चा कभी मिलता नहीं आए सुनुच चा कभी मिलियो कि
हाँ हाँ शुणुची कौन है
ये मुंडटा टिके भारी भारी लगुची चा कभी मिलता नहीं
ए असमय रे चा पीले देह भल रहबो तो तुम्हारा
ये पुणी क्लास आरंभ हो गला एतिके क्लास एतिके अंक जदि पढ़ी थांती ठीक समय रे मैट्रिक टा केडे सुरखुरे पास करी थांती तो चा जदि न दबो थाओ
हो ताले दोची
So a neural network is a network of nodes. Nodes are called neurons because that is what is in the brain. Computer scientists try to make nodes match the way the brain works, and hence name as a artificial neural network. We call it ANN.
Wow.
Interesting, isn't it?
Huh.
Yes.
Okay, so these ANN are used to solve some of the computing problems that traditional computer programs find it hard to solve.
Why? What kind of problems traditional computer programs are not able to solve and need AI?
Okay, take speech recognition. There are 7 billion people in this world. It is practically very difficult to recognize the way everyone speaks. In a traditional way computers are programmed, so we take the help of neural network in some type of neural networks which takes sample inputs, does iterative computing to reach the known output from the input. Once it finds the parameters which gave the right output, remembers them. That tries to predict the next input till it gets an accurate output. In this way, the neural network learns to generalize, and by generalizing, it allows it to predict output for an input it didn't know before. Okay, so neural networks predict probability in percentages, not fixed static numbers. And there are functions that can result in binaries like 0 or 1 at sample, like sigmoid functions. Then can be one of the categories like in a softmax function. Note, the first mention of mathematics here after the vector discussion is probability and the functions. Did you get it?
Oh, good. So, Dambai, what I understood is part of speak recognition, the input is nothing but the word and the output is something yes and no. Correct?
Yeah.
And when we are saying subject is nothing but the 0, object is 0, and sometime it will be 1, maybe 1, 0, 0. Is it correct?
Oh, exactly. You know, see, Anjan Gandwai is getting into neural network modeling now. So what mathematicians do is they find clever ways to organize real world objects into vectors, calling it as vectorization, and then pass them through the neural networks.
Anjan. So tell me, and then so how does the vectorization work out for the word?
Okay.
No.
So let's say in English language, 171,476 words are in current use. We can keep each word by an entry 1 and rest 171,475 entries as 0.
Oh, so basically what you are trying, Damabhai, to say is like if you have X number of words, so your array size is going to be X and one of them is going to be 1 for one word, right? Let's take it with an example. We are discussing what happens when you play Radio Zindagi. We have 12 words and then those 12 words have index in each sentences and say we are in first position and we're in second position and the play is in 10th position. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Note the one in the 10th position. Similarly, if we are evaluating verb, subject, object, we can have an array of, so we are saying verb, subject, object. So we are going to have an array of 3. Meaning if it's a verb, you can say 1, 0, 0. If it's a subject, you can say 0, 1, 0 and likewise. Mousa, कौन एमती मने बुझे परली? Oh my. Okay.
एटा तो षंड को भागवत पढ़ेला परी कथा मो इजरी पाठर तो चोप्पा भारिया पे लागिलानी बाप रे बाप.
Okay, wait. Anjan Panda, let's make it very simple. Take a smaller example.
Thank you. Good idea, Dam bhai. Oh, where was I?
Word vectorization.
Oh yeah. So you're saying take a small. Okay, let's take a small phrase. Let's say small phrase is say I love you. So that's a very common phrase. So I love you has 3 words, right? So these 3 words becomes a 3 element vector, meaning this vector can have I love you. So for the word I, we can represent 1 0 0, and for love we can represent 0 1 0, and for you we can represent 0 0 1. Basically, just the index of the word is the place where we are placing a 1 in an element. So this thing is called vectorization. Mousa, ଏବେ ଟିକେ ବୁଝିଲା?
ବଢିଆ କଥାଟା। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଧରାଯାଉ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ, ସେଇଟା ବି ତିନିଟା ଶବ୍ଦ, ତାକୁ ଭେକ୍ଟରାଇଜେସନ କରି ଦେଖିବା ତ। ଏଇ ଧର 1 0 0 ହେଲା ମୁଁ, 0 1 0 ହେଲା ତୁମକୁ, ଆଉ 0 0 1 ହେଲା ଭଲ ପାଏ। ତାହେଲେ ହବ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ, ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1। ବାଃ, এইটা হব তো?
ବଢିଆ ମଉସା।
ତୁମର ପୁଣି କଣ କୋଡ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ରେ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ ବୋଲି ଚାଲିଲାଣି? ଏଠି ବସି କଣ କରୁଛ ଯେ?
ୱାଓ ବଢିଆ ମଉସା, ଆପଣ ତ ଭେକ୍ଟରାଇଜେସନ ବୁଝେଇ ଦେଲେ। ମାଉସୀଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ବୁଝେଇବେ ଟିକେ ଭାବିକି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ନା।
ମାଉସୀକୁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇବା? ବାଃ ବାଃ, ବହୁତ ଭଲ। ମତେ ଗଛ ଉପରକୁ ଚଢେଇ ଦେଇ ସିଧା ସିଡିଟାକୁ ତଳୁଛୁ କଥା ଇଏ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଦାମ ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ ମଉସାଙ୍କ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ତୁମ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଲାଗିଲା। ମୋର ସିଆଡେ ବହୁତ କାମ ଅଛି। ହଉ, ମୁଁ ଚାଲିଲି।
Mausi, now it's getting interesting. I just wanted to know how does this work? Dam bhai or Ranjan Panda, anyone can explain?
Sure. So almost all present language based models like the one above we discussed use one or the other form of type of network called recurrent neural network. We call it RNN. In the image recognition, one use another type of network called convolutional neural network or CNN. As you might guess, convolution is an operation as is recurrence, right? People have invented networks like this to solve the present world problems like the one we are speaking about.
अच्छा, एआई और एमएल जो एते किछ करि पारुछन्ती ते हमर वर्तमान स्थिति रे जो कोरोना परि दुरारोग्य रोग चली तार के निराकरण किछ पद्धति काढी होंता नहीं, से दिगरे मैं भावुची निश्चय चेष्टा हवा उचित। कौन भावुचंती आपण माने? सो engineering neural network is to fit a mathematical model into a computing model to achieve the best performing results with the least amount of resources.
Yes, that was nice, Sabya Babu. Yes, that is exactly how the engineering of a neural network looks like at a very high level.
I do not get this.
Okay, let me explain this. Engineers try to build machines like your television, car, or building structures like say One World Trade Center, etc., huge buildings, using available technology and tools. The process of building these target objects is called engineering. So after listening to the way machine learning works in neural networks, I see the future wide open with immense possibilities. They have nicely explained the way these will be used in the real world. Say, for example, in self-driving cars, machine translations, or speech recognition.
Thank you, uncle. Can I do that engineering too?
Of course you can. Just toil now and learn your lessons well. One day, You can be an engineer who would build systems that we don't know of now. Well, what do you dream of doing, by the way?
I want to build a vehicle to go from planet to planet.
I want to build a big floating city.
I want to make everything automatic in your vehicles and your city or homes using machine learning. Now, all your objects are machines and I will make them learn.
Oh, I'm truly impressed with these excellent things that you want to build. I pray that the new generation ODs like you get your skills and enthusiasms together to build the next generation of solutions using machine learning and advance it to benefit the world, benefit mankind. By the way, Sarita has some documents to assist someone who wants to learn more and apply them to your projects. She says there are many free courses on YouTube too. You can use them or refer all of those uncles and aunts who have explained this machine learning today. With this, let's hope and pray that in an earnest endeavor to excel, we do not forget Mary Shelley's character Frankenstein created 200 years back. Very often we find that the machines that men make men machines. Let not that happen with us.
Yeah.
Let's all live and enjoy our beautiful world with few barriers, few boundaries. Okay, let's end today's meeting with a prayer to the Lord of the universe. May Lord Jagannath give you more power. May you all be blessed. Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.